Welcome you back to Home Sweet Food channel. Today is another recipe that I'm going to share with you. We're going to make some light soup, and these are the ingredients. I have some lamb, some vegetables here, then I have some baked turkey, I have salt to taste, paprika, salted beef, then I have my okra and the mushroom. And the lamb has a lot of fat, so I decided to roast it in the oven before we cook. It's done and we've gotten much of the oil out, and let's start cooking. It's in a light soup and so I'm not adding my meat in my saucepan. Everything is clean and washed, and I'm cooking the vegetables on the other side, and I added half pepper, added water to simmer for it is soft to blend. And I added a paprika, the mushroom, and I added a blend onion, ginger, garlic. Then rinse the blender, then just adding some of the water here. Stir. So I didn't add any salt because of the salted beef that I added, and then the smoked turkey to add salt. So I just want everything to cook down if there's the need to add salt. So I decided to add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And we will say I'm fun to So I'm going to let this cook for 10 minutes, and if the vegetables is not ready for me, I'll add in some water before we add the blend vegetables. Keep on watching Home Sweet Food. So this has been cooked for 10 minutes. Then I'll stir one more time before I add my water. God bless you all for all the support that you all have been giving me. God richly bless you all. It means a lot to me. Madam Winyanase, Yakupon Sham, Yamupia. If you are Nepa, Tankasa. With some light soup here. So with this light soup, we can eat it with some rice or fufu. But I enjoy mine with fufu. Hello lovely people, thank you all for watching. I'm not adding the blended vegetables. So all the salts has been released from the salted beef and then the turkey. Then I added 1 tablespoon of salt and rinse the blender again. Then I'm adding my okra. Just a boss one kasa. Wow, sha. With you when you fufu bi. A koye pa. Se menken fufu, baye fufu. A boss pa. Home Sweet Food. Love you people. Please don't forget to like this video, share with your loved ones, and turn on your notification bell, so anytime I do upload a new video, you will be the first person to know it. God bless you all for stopping by to watch today's recipe. They say the soup is almost ready. Thank you all and keep on watching. Hello people, the soup is ready, and this is the part that is so important to me. Yeah, I do skim the oil that come on top. Yeah, so please do skim off those oil. It's not good for our health, and I mean these ones that is over there is okay than the first one.
Day in, day out, it's the same road we're walking down, same job, same town, 'cause we've